Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern NOAA County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Big Heart, moving east-northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in or near the path include South Coffeyville, Copan, Lenapal, Juan, Big Heart, Hula, Washashi State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Oklahoma.